In this quick tip, we're going to learn how to use save points. Over in the Development tab, click on History. This is where you convert your application to any point in time, like an infinite undo button. However, it's also where you'll find specific save points. In this case, there are none, as we've yet to make a save point for this app. Note that Bubble auto-saves your work every time you make a change, but by creating a save point, you are labeling a particular time and date which you can easily revert back to. Think of it like saving a video game when you finally get to the boss. The idea here is that if you know you're going to add a feature to your app that may be a lot, you'll want to have the ability to restore it precisely to the time before you added this feature. After we restore our app, we have to reload, and once we do, we can see that our application has a restore point. Depending on your plan, you can take this even further and restore to any date and time. This is why it's good practice to keep save points, so you'll know exactly when you are building something. The History tab will also show your deploys. And while Bubble auto-saves your work, it's nice to have the comfort knowing you have control over your application's history. That's it for this quick tip. For more, be sure to check out bubble.io/academy.